see, the challenge for me is this. Woven into the fabric of our existence as human beings is God's concept of memory. And memory is God's system whereby we can hear, we can see, or think of something in the past in a way that impacts and affects us in the present. So every one of us has been hard-coded by God with a system of memory. Matter of fact, some psychologists tell us that we don't remember things by days, we remember in moments. And so if God brought you out with a mighty outstretched arm, I'm wondering why you need to be told to remember. But I also realize, my friends, that what is a vivid memory for us today may fade and wane over time to where we no longer remember. But here it is for me, my friends. There are some things I see that I cannot unsee. There are some things that I have known, or I now know, and Buki, I cannot unknow them. And so is the power of our memory.